Thank you, local storm trackers. All right, what this is I'm going to try to make a video of this particular assignment about tracking the local storms, putting it in this Google Doc that I created here, and then two of you will be responsible for collecting all the data, putting it in, like I said, this Google Doc, and then you're going to be presenting this information to the class. And the idea is once we identify a local storm coming our way, whether it's coming from the Gulf of Alaska or coming up from Hawaii or the equatorial region, we want to track it as it progresses through the day towards Pleasanton Middle School. So this is what you're going to do. Each period there's going to be a couple of students volunteer here. We're going to collect all of the pictures that right in this area right here that shows the storm progressing as it gets closer and closer to the San Francisco Bay Area. So with that in mind, what I'm going to do is let me show you the example right down over here. And I have 9:14. It's not quite 1:50. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. So let me type in 3:30. Okay, period 7, we'll call it that, but it's after school. It doesn't matter. Now the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be visiting our online weather station, which is weather data taken from the weather station right on the roof of the classroom. So let me click on there. And this is what we got. Okay, here we go. Here's that nasty storm we've been tracking all day. And this is part of your local storm tracker. So what you're going to do is whatever device you have, you're going to be taking a screenshot of this area right here. So let's go ahead and take a screenshot. Awesome. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be scrolling down just a little bit right here, and you're going to be involved in information about the forecast. And today for Monday, it says a chance of rain, not only this afternoon, but also tonight. But let's see more specifically what it has in mind. So I click on it, and the next thing we're going to be doing is taking a screenshot of the day information as well as the night. So once you take a screenshot of both of those, we're going to put all of this information in the document to create the document you're going to be sharing with the class. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So let me go back to the example right here, and I'm going to go to the screenshots that I took, and I need to insert those. Okay, so the first one is I'm going to take the screenshot of the storm we were tracking, and I'm going to insert it right in there. Then the next thing is information about the day, the daytime, which is currently while we're in school. So let me get that information, put that right in there. And then finally, the screenshot right over here about the evening, because we want to tell the students what to expect later on at night about in terms of weather. And pretty much that's about it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to be going in the presentation mode, and the group that did all this work right here, they're going to be telling the class about what to expect for the rest of the day, what to expect tonight, just in case if you have a soccer game or something like that, or a baseball game, what you could expect. And then also they're going to take a look at this screenshot right here. Now the screenshot right here is going to show progression through the day. Each period of the day will show the advancement of this storm as it progresses towards Pleasanton Middle School and the greater East Bay region. And that's the goal. So the students from each class could take a look, and the class as a whole could take a look as the storm progresses to us, and they're going to identify the different regions of the storm about how heavy the rain is expected. So that hopefully you'll find this tutorial video helpful, and you'll have an interest in becoming a local storm tracker. And you could do this for a couple of weeks or until there's somebody else that's interested in taking over for you. So that's about it. And once again, I hope you have an interest in this particular assignment. Thank you, and bye-bye.